In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove extra spaces in Microsoft Word. Extra spaces may seem minor, but they can make your document look unprofessional and uneven. Fortunately, Word provides several tools that make it easy to locate and fix these spacing issues, so your text looks clean and polished. To start, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load the document you want to edit. One of the quickest ways to find extra spaces is by using the Find and Replace feature. You can access this by pressing Ctrl and H on your keyboard at the same time, or by going to the Home tab and selecting Replace. Once the Find and Replace dialog box opens, type 2 spaces into the Find What box. In the Replace with box, type a single space. This will tell Word to look for any double spaces in your document and replace them with a single space. Click Replace All, and Word will automatically remove all double spaces. Depending on your document, you may need to repeat the process if there are instances of triple spaces or more, ensuring that all extra spaces are eliminated. Another helpful method is to display formatting marks, which allows you to visually see spaces, paragraph breaks, and other hidden formatting. To do this, go to the Home tab and click the Show or Hide button, represented by the paragraph symbol. This will make every space visible as a small dot between words. You can then easily identify areas with extra spaces and correct them manually if needed. This method is particularly useful when you want to check specific sections or ensure your formatting is consistent throughout the document. Extra spaces often appear in common places, such as after periods, commas, or before paragraph breaks. Using both Find and Replace along with formatting marks ensures that your document is thoroughly cleaned and professionally formatted. Regularly checking for extra spaces can save time in the editing process and prevent your documents from looking messy or uneven. And that's it. You now know how to find and remove extra spaces in Microsoft Word efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.